Welcome back. In engineering, we do not just adopt tools for fun, we adopt them to solve problems. And the problem MCP solve is one of the biggest bottleneck in AI development today, the integration nightmare. We call this M by N problems, or if we have M integration to N integration, that's it multiplies. Imagine you have three different AI models you want to use, for example, Claude, GPT-4, Gemini, and you have 10 different data sources like Salesforce, GitHub, Google Drives, Slack, Airbnb. Without a standard, you have to build a custom connector for every single combination. That is 3 into 10, total 30 custom integration to maintain. If one API change, everything breaks. MCP solve this by decoupling the model from your data. You build the Google Drive MCP server once. Now any MCP complaint client, whether it's a Cloud or generic agent or a custom IDE VS Code, can connect to it instantly. So it reduces the integration work from M by N down to just M plus N. For an architect, this is the difference between a fragile system and a scalable platform. The architecture is sound, it saves time, reduces complexity, but a standard is only useful if people actually use it. Is MCP just a niche experiment, or is it industry ready? Let's find out in the next video. We will see MCP adoption and its ecosystem.